Hello friends, today's video is about how to change your iPhone's language, and I'm here to help you as always. Here we go. Now first thing you have to do is unlock your phone, tap the settings app icon, then tap general menu, scroll down and tap language and region. Tap add language. Language will be listed on the page. Scroll down until you find the language that you want to use, then tap it to select it. If you are sure with the selected language, just tap the red text message. Congratulations! You changed your iPhone's language successfully. See you in the next video, guys, with what you are wondering most. And if you liked the video, just hit that subscribe button. See you!